Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and a clean workspace. You need manage server or an admin to invite Tupperbox for you. Once done, create a dedicated channel for commands and logs so messages stay organized. Make choices now about the bot prefix, a default tag format, and which role will be used by Tupper accounts. This prevents permission issues later. These first actions set the structure, so every subsequent step is faster and less error-prone. Now you create the tuppers and configure behavior. Use the T, new command, and provide a clear name, avatar URL, and a sample message so you can test output. As you proceed, set privacy with T, private or lock a tupper to a specific channel to prevent accidental posting elsewhere. Make sure to configure webhooks and nickname options so messages appear authentic. Once these are set, you'll understand how each setting affects visibility. Finish by thoroughly testing. Send a few short messages for each tupper and confirm avatar, display name, and channel posting are correct. If something fails, make sure the bot role is above tupper roles in server settings and that permissions like send messages or manage messages are set as intended. If messages still misbehave, check the configured prefix, webhook rate limits, and that the tupper isn't private or channel locked. These checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.